Hello, hi, namaste. I am your host Nishal, and today I am going to share my knowledge to download application from Play Store in an insufficient storage device, and how to download any application from Play Store without Play Store. So, without any further interruption, let's fly to our video. Now, I'm going to download the app to show you the exact problem you have faced during application downloading process. Now, first of all, open the Play Store. Then I will download TikTok, search TikTok and click on install. Now that's the most irritating and annoying problem of low storage Android device. But don't worry, I am here to solve this problem temporarily. Now do whatever I do in my screen. Now you have to just click here storage, and after that click here on internal storage, and you can see the case data. Just click here and delete the case data. Now we have cleared the case. Hope we can able to download our previous app. Let's see. Now click on install. Yes, it's downloading. So I won't download this because I don't like this application. Now I'm going to tell you another process to download application of Play Store without Play Store. There are several ideas to download the application, but I usually download from this process, and this process is completely safe. For this process, you have to open your web browser. I'm going to opening my web browser. Then in web browser search bar type same as I shown in this video. First you have to write the application name, and after that you have to write up to down at the back. For example, if I want to download TikTok, then just type TikTok and just write up to down. Now here you see the result. Now click on the first result and then click on latest version and click on download. Now your app will start downloading. You can see this pop up. This type of file can harm your device. You can click on OK. Now just check your downloading status. Boom, it is downloading. And if you have faced any problem during installing the application, just turn off the unknown sources. So hope if you like my video, please like my video, comment my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.